Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to update the records in a table. First of all, you need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. In editor of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, I will create a database metro demo and select it, execute the query, okay, and then use the metro demo, select this query and execute the query, okay. Next I will create a table employee with the 4 columns emp id int emp name varchar 50 emp city varchar 50 emp email varchar 50, okay, and then select and execute the query, okay. My table employee successfully created here, and then I will insert the some record inside the employee table. Insert into employee values 1, Amit, Noida, and Gmail Amit @gmail.com, and then select the query and execute the query, okay, and copy the query and paste here and insert the second record as to Amita, Noida, Amita @gmail.com, select it and execute the query, okay. My second record also inserted inside the employee table, and next select query for display the all data from the employee table, execute the query, okay. It will display all the records, all the 2 records from the employee table, and next I will update the emp name and emp city of the first record here. So I write here update, then table name, employee, and then write here the set, and then column name emp name as Abhishek, and then comma, and write the next column name as emp city equal, then write the value Gorakhpur, okay, and write here where emp id equal 1, because I want the change name of emp name and emp city of emp id 1, so write here the emp id as a 1, and then select the query and execute the query, 1 refactored, and then for checking write here the, don't write, just select the select query and execute Look here, the EMP ID 1, the name changed here, EMP name as Abhishek and EMP city as Gorakhpur. Thank you friend. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.